Hello students. Today we are going to solve the numerical part of the steady state error. For here I have taken two numericals. One more video I will update at the evening. So you can check that numericals also. Here the first question is that for the unity feedback system we have given the G of S. We need to find the type of the system and the error coefficient. So for the unity feedback, always take feedback system H of S is 1. So first part is type of the system. We know, I told you, we need to see the denominator part. That means poles of the poles of the system. Here the power of the S, we have to check this. Power of S raised per n means n equals to 2. Sometimes in the complex part, we denote the this portion as s raised power j. In a complex system we always talk s raised power j, means j power decide the type of the system. So here power is 2, therefore the type of the system is 2. We need to find the second part, that is error coefficient. So we need to find kp, kv and ka. For kp we need to write limit s tends to 0. Here it is the formation how to write the kp error. It is g of s into h of s. So we'll write limit s tends to 0, the value of g of s into h of s. H of s is 1, so we will write like this, and after applying the limit the value will become infinite. So the value of kp means positional error equals to infinite. So again we will find the next static error constant, which is kv. So here it is limit s tends to 0. The way of representing kv is s into g of s into h of s. So here after applying the limit, also we'll get kv equals to infinite. Therefore kv equals to infinite. Now which means velocity error is coefficient. Velocity error coefficient is also infinite. Now we'll find the ka, which means acceleration error coefficient. The way to write acceleration error coefficient is s square g of s into h of s. We'll write the form of g of s and h of s. After applying the limit to the formula, we'll get the K A error equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, acceleration error coefficient is 1 by 2. Now we solve the question number 1. Let's move to question number 2. Here for a unity feedback system, we have given a value of g of s equals to 10 into s plus 1, s in denominator part s square, s plus 2, s plus 10. Here the input signal is also given, which means r of t. Here it is r of t, which is 1 plus 4t plus t square by 2. We need to determine the type of the system, error coefficient and the steady state error. We'll do step by step. First, we need to find the type of the system. See in the denominator, I've just told you, you need to check the power of s. We can denote the power of s will decide this power of s, not the other one. This power decide the type of the system. So here the power is 2, therefore we will say that the system is type 2 system. Now second part is error coefficient. We need to find the error coefficient. For that we will find kp, kv and ka. So first kp. So I've just told you how we write the kp. This is the way to write the kp. We need to put the value of g of s into h of s. Where the value of h of s is not given, here one thing is also mentioned, unity feedback. So we are taking h of s is 1. So after applying the limit to this portion, we'll get kp equals to infinite. Please do yourself so that you can get easily and do more practice on these numerical. So let's start with kv, which is velocity error coefficient. So this is the way to write the velocity error coefficient. So we need to write the value of g of s into h of s. After applying the limit, we'll get the kv is also equals to infinite. So it is somewhere misprint. Kv is also infinite. In the notes you can check, I wrote the value of kv equals to infinite. So this is acceleration error coefficient or constant. We can write limit s tends to 0. It is s square g of s into h of s. We need to write this value, and after applying the limit, we'll get 10 upon 20. When you will solve this portion, you get 10 upon 20. So what we are going to do is, we will just simplify it and we can write the value which is k equals to 0.5. Now we have find the values of static error constant, which is kp, k and kv. Now next step is find the steady state error. To find the steady state error, we need to write the formula of steady state error, which is ESS equals to limit s tends to 0 s into r of s upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. This is the way to represent the steady state formula. This signal, just leave this r, this signal is our error signal. Okay, in the question we have given r of t, we need to find r of s, we need to convert it into Laplace transformation. So the signal r of t, we need to convert r in the Laplace formation. Here is the conversion. This is the way to represent the Laplace. The Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, means t is 1 by s square. We need to write 4 upon s square. The Laplace of t square is 1 by s cube, so we'll write like that. Now the error signal, we need to put the values of all the r of, we have just converted the Laplace transformation. We need to put r of s in the formula here, in the r of s here, and we need to put g of s into h of s here. So we will put the value and we will simplify. See, there is another way to simplify. We can simplify like that. Instead of putting the values, we can separate the value, and see how I did it. Limit s tends to 0. What we have did, we just separated out the values such that further we can apply direct static constant here. So how we did it? This s will be cancelled out when we will open this, and 1 upon 1 plus g of s into h of s, this term will be separated. Now again this 1s will be cancelled out from here, we'll get 4 upon s plus g of s into h of s. Again 1s will be cancelled out, we'll get 1 upon s square plus, when we multiply s square here, s square into g of s into h of s. So this is the way to write the separated portion. Now this is forming the kp, this is forming the kv, and it is forming the ka constant. So directly we can write the values of kp, kv and ka. Now we can put the values of kp, kv and ka, which is 1 plus infinity nothing 0. So it is 0. Again it is 0. Then k, what we found there, 0.5. So we can write is ESS equals to what? 2. So this is the value of ESS signal. So thank you for watching this.